Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to download and install the Spotify app on your Mac. If you'd prefer to listen to your playlists using a standalone app instead of your browser, this is exactly what you need. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps support the channel. Thanks. Let's get started. First, open up a web browser, Safari, Chrome, or whatever you normally use. In the address bar, type in spotify.com and hit enter. Once you're on the Spotify homepage, you'll notice you can log in and start listening directly from the web. But for the desktop experience, we want the actual app. So go ahead and click the download button in the top right corner of the screen. On the next page, you'll see another download button in the center. Click that too. Spotify's website will automatically detect that you're on a Mac and start downloading the correct version. If your browser asks for permission, just click Allow to confirm the download. Once the installer finishes downloading, you might see it appear right on your desktop. If not, open Finder, go to your Downloads folder, and you'll find a file called Install Spotify. Double-click the file, then click Open to start the installation. macOS might ask for your system password or confirmation to proceed. Go ahead and approve it. In just a few seconds, the Spotify app will be installed and launch automatically. If you've used Spotify before, it may log you in automatically. If not, just click the profile icon in the top right corner to sign into your account. To keep Spotify in your dock for easy access, right-click the app icon, go to Options, and select Keep in Dock. That way, it'll always be just one click away. And that's it. Spotify is now installed and ready to go on your Mac. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Mac tutorials. See you in the next one.